Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel and another video. So today I just want to make a real short video about a really cool thing that my new agency issued me that I thought might come in handy for a few people. And that is basically a magnetic mount for your body camera. So one of the main issues I was having with specifically my MiuFly little body camera here that I did a review on a while back. One, still really awesome camera, by the way. For the price, it's pretty sweet. But one of the issues I had was that this clip, and it did come with a variety of attachments, this clip didn't quite fit every situation, even though it does rotate and everything, and it's got some pretty aggressive teeth on it. It holds on pretty well, and it doesn't fit everywhere just right. So that's kind of where this comes into play. This is the outside portion, and this is the inside portion. Well, inside of what? Well, the inside of your vest, inside of your shirt, t-shirt, button-up, any kind of clothing you can think of. This rubber little thing goes in there, and then attaches with extremely strong magnets, and it has a little raised portion here that the actual camera itself clips onto. So now you can basically mount this thing wherever you want, as long as the magnets hold on to it, which these magnets are extremely strong. They're rare earth magnets, and I mean, you got to watch your fingers whenever you're putting this thing on. And it works extremely well. This mounts very well. If you have one of the clip ones that kind of has like a hook, almost like a belt clip, it fits even better because it clips on right there, but you can feed this one all the way through and you won't have any issues. I mean, this thing solid. So this is a cool little mount. I thought it was really cool. There's one from Patrol Eyes, which is specifically, like on Amazon, it's specifically for their camera, but this one works with any camera that has a clip, which is just about all of them right now. And this was a really non-invasive, easy to use solution for a common problem I was having with the body camera. Now these things run about 50 bucks, which you know, is a little high, but I'll link the one on Amazon and the one on CopTrax, which is the camera system that we use now. I'll link theirs. That's what this brand is. This is a CopTrax, and it's such a simple but innovative little idea. It really changes the game when it comes to mounting your camera, and you don't have to do anything special. I like it. I like simple, innovative solutions, and this is like totally one of them. Now the magnets do not interfere with any of the cameras I've tried it out on. It doesn't seem to mess up with the recording function. I know, you know, some people think that magnets will affect computers, and that's true if they actually have a hard disk drive, like the actual disk that spins, but if it's solid state memory, kind of like a memory card or anything like that, it's not really going to interfere. As far as that thing sticking on it or it coming off, if you get in a good tussle, it might rip the camera off, but this mount will actually stay in place. The camera itself might come off, this might break or whatever, but this mount actually stays on. We had a guy getting into a use of force incident, and this actually stayed on pretty well, but the camera ended up in the ditch. So anyway, awesome, cool little solution. If you're looking for a solution to mount this onto jackets, you know, bags, vests, anything like that, I think this is a really, really cool solution. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me today. Like I said, check out the links below. It really helps out the channel and everything. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know down below. Alright guys, see you later.